In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters in Wix Studio. If you're looking to enrich your website with dynamic content and stunning layouts, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up and maximize the potential of repeaters in Wix. First, we're starting by logging into your Wix account and entering the Wix Studio dashboard. Make sure you've selected the website you want to enhance with repeaters. Once you're in, head to the editor and open the page where you wish to add a repeater. Now, if you're not already familiar with the editor, take a moment to navigate through and get comfortable with its layout. This will help you as we move along. Next, turn your attention to the left side of the editor, where you'll find the Add button. This is your gateway to a whole array of elements that you can incorporate into your site. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. Search for Repeater in this list. When you find it, click to add it to your page. A repeater is perfect for displaying multiple items of the same design, such as blog posts, event lists, or product showcases. With the repeater now on your page, take some time to adjust its placement and size to fit the desired space in your layout. You can drag and resize the repeater just like any other element in Wix. Be mindful of how it fits within other page components to ensure a harmonious design. Now that your repeater is ready, let's connect it to a data source. This is where the magic of dynamic content comes into play. On the repeater, you will see a connect icon. Click on this icon, and you'll have the option to link it to your datasets. This connection allows you to pull data from the collections you've created or plan to create in the Wix Content Manager. When you've chosen your data source, it's time to map your fields properly. This step is crucial as it tells Wix exactly what content goes where in your repeater. Click on a specific field within the repeater, and in the menu that appears, choose the appropriate content type. Repeat this process for each field that requires data mapping. Take your time here to ensure everything is set up for smooth operation. As a final touch, customize the design of your repeater. Each unit of the repeater can be styled to match your brand's aesthetic. Utilize Wix's design tools to adjust fonts, colors, and other visual elements to enhance your site's appearance and UX. Don't forget, creative freedom here means you can produce something truly unique and engaging for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use repeaters in Wix Studio to create dynamic and compelling website content. Enjoy experimenting and adjust your setup as needed to optimize your site. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!